Hello, George here. Where am I today? We're at Frensham Little Pond.
And who's with you today, George?
Nanny and Kevin.
Hello.
Hello. Shall we get going?
Yeah,
Okay, which way are we going?
that way.
We got that way.
There's another bird.
Oh, well, that's one really close, George.
Yeah. Hey, look! There's another
Yeah, that's
duck. I am looking at this one. This one.
Which one? That's a mallard.
Oh, I'm looking at a
Well
mallard.
spotted.
I see another thing. No.
That's what I'm looking at now.
Oh yeah. This is a swan.
That's right. You got that perfect there, George, with the finger pointing at the swan.
Oh, I found something. There's a seagull there.
Yeah, seagull.
But I can see. Oh, those must be.
Those are grey-lag geese.
Yeah, they're babies. Oh look!
That's some more grey-lag geese flying, look.
Look at that. That's amazing. I guess they're fighting if they see something.
Well, it might be dogs frightening them away.
They're not very near this pond anymore. Maybe they're trying to find a new one.
Come back. Look at these ducks coming over towards us, look.
They didn't hear it.
No, it didn't.
Kevin ate some chocolate and he's not allowed to eat chocolate.
That's told you, Kevin.
Okay, so we're going to start our walk again.
And which way are we going?
I think we're going that way.
That way?
Yeah. Wait, because we just started from that way, so we're going this way now.
Okay.
We're not...
I've hidden in some gorse bushes so that George can't find me, and he's gone ahead with Cynthia and he keeps stopping and shouting out for me. So I'm gonna head back along the path now just to see where they are, but they're probably hiding from me now. Let's see what they're doing. I can hear them talking. They're just round the corner. Just round the corner here. I don't know whether they'll be able to hear me talking on here. Anyway, let's keep going, see where they are. There's George, he's shouting for me again.
Can someone shot this for me?
Oh, darling. Yeah, of course. That's very sensible of you. Well done.
Hello. I'm putting my hand sanitizer on me.
Good boy.
Because I touched the stick and it had dirt on.
Good boy, well done. I don't know whether he was in shot then or not, but so we're crossing this boardwalk now, just over here.
Yeah, it looks like it's a big bridge. It's like a big. Look how big that is. It goes all the way up to there. We're all just in the middle, like there.
We were, weren't we? Then we got to go all the way up there.
Yeah, and then we're nearly to your car.
Oh, well, not quite. But which way we got to go when we get to the end here?
I think...
So remember, don't look at the camera. That's it, kid. Now keep walking past. That's it, keep going.
Well, Hello, Nanny, I'm tough. I'm not.
I know, I'm not used to young children anymore. I'm used to people that break.
I'm sick.
Yeah, I know, but I'm used to people that break when they fall.
This is fun.
This is fun. It's not fun.
I love it.
I'm getting wet.
No, I mean this. What's the boom? Big bit. Big bit. I like my foot with those. I'm more bigger than both.
You are.
Wait.
No, don't jump into it. Just be careful. You only have to go as far as the railings, and you have to jump down, yeah? Can you jump that right? Okay, well I'll help you down. Right. Gosh, George. We've just had a horrible shower, so I was worried about the camera equipment getting wet, but we're right at the side of this wall which surrounds the one end of, not surrounds, it's at one end of the Frensham Little Ponds. We've got these railings here to stop people climbing up on the top, and then when we get down here, George there, we've got these sort of sluice gates. Through there. So we've got to go up this way now. Let's have a look up here against this wall.
Let's go, Kevin! I want to see her. What do I see?
So, we finished our walk now.
We finished our walk now. It was George, Nanny and Kevin. And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye!
Bye!
Well folks, we hope you enjoyed that walk. If you did, please give the channel a thumbs up and a like, and do leave a comment. And do consider subscribing to Kevin's channel. Hopefully that way you'll be able to enjoy one of his walks sometime in the future. Thanks for watching, and cheerio. Good boy.